My husband was doing work for someone and they found out that I was a furniture flipper and they gave him this dresser. So I'm going to be giving it a makeover and using it in my children's nursery. So this dresser is in really good condition other than a scratch mark on the bottom corner, and it's really filthy. This dresser has had mice living inside of it and it stinks and it needs a really good cleaning. But other than that, it's in really good condition. So this furniture makeover, it will be pretty simple. The drawers are pretty nasty, so I decided to blow them out with my little Milwaukee blower. The dresser had a lot of pet hair on it, so the blower really helped get rid of that. Then I gave a quick light sanding to smooth out those pet scratches on the corner, and then gave a quick scuff sanding to the dresser top. I took off all of the hardware, and my little helper helped me remove some of them. And then I gave everything a thorough cleaning. I am using Kiehl's Premium Primer, and I gave 1 coat of primer to everything. And then I'm going to be using the Sage color in Waverly chalk paint, and I used a roller to apply it. I started off with a paintbrush for the dresser frame, and then for the second coat I rolled it. After the 2 coats were dried, I sealed everything with a water-based polyurethane, and I applied it using this foam sponge. This is actually for applying car wax. I got it at Dollar Tree. I really like using this sponge versus a paintbrush as it goes on so much faster and it leaves a really nice finish to it. And after 2 coats of sealer, I put the hardware back on and I lined the drawers with some drawer liner. And just a quick reminder of what the dresser used to look like, and here it is now. So I put this dresser in my children's nursery and I absolutely love how it looks. It's great because it has a lot more drawers than my other dresser. I'm really grateful for this gift of a dresser, and I'm really happy with how this makeover turned out. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this makeover. If you're not already a subscriber, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below, and I will see you guys in a later video.
Thank you for watching our video. See you guys later.